Hello everyone, this is Nurse Jam, and today I will share with you what are the things that must bring, less likely to bring, and not available in the shops here in the UK. Alright, so first I will recommend you to bring a small rice cooker, as if you're coming here alone and you love to eat rice, it's better for you to bring a small one because here in the UK they are selling a big one. So second is umbrella. You can bring an umbrella here. It is useful here since weather here is unpredictable. Sometimes it will rain for just 30 or an hour, so it's hard to be wet on your first day, right? And the third and fourth is few foods or some foods for few days, because you'll be self-isolating for 2 to 3 days. So it is good if you are bringing some food that you like, such as canned goods or some noodles. Then the fourth is some medications such as painkillers or antihistamine, because you cannot go outside, and it is expensive, so better to bring some medicine also. Okay, so I'm done with the must bring, and now I will tell you the less likely to bring, and I only have one. It is the lotion. As we all know, here in the UK the climate is too cold and it will make your body or skin dry, so I will recommend you not to bring more or much in the other place. It's better for you to use or buy here the Aveeno lotion. That is the recommended lotion, as it will fight the dryness all over the body. It is soothing, it is hydrating, and it won't irritate your sensitive skin. So lastly, I will share with you the not available or tricky to find in the shops of UK. So first, the clear shampoo. Clear shampoo is not available in any shops of the UK, but you can buy online. It is £10 for 400 ml only, so it sounds pretty expensive for me. Then second is Crest toothpaste or the whitening strips. It's not available also, but online you can buy. And lastly, the Bath and Body shops. There is no Bath and Body shop here in the UK, and we are sorry for ourselves if you are an avid fan of Bath and Body. And look, I bring more because I love Bath and Body shop. Okay, so that is all for today for the must bring, less likely to bring, and not available in the shops of UK. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.